Hey, what's up YouTube? So today's video is very exciting for me. As you can see, there's a lot of color going on in this video, and it has a lot to do with what you're going to see featured today. So last Saturday, a couple of friends and I, we went out to have dinner at Applebee's, and we had already set up a little gift exchange. So we went in and, like I said, we went out, we did our gift exchange, and I was so excited. Like, you guys have no idea. I'm excited because Karina actually got me for the gift exchange, and she got me the coolest thing ever. Like, she couldn't have done a better job in picking a gift for me. And actually, Natalie was the one that gave her a bit of a hint. So thanks for that, Natalie. And shout out to you guys if you guys are watching this video. I had a lot of fun that day, and I'm super happy with my gift. So this is what she got me. She got me the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which I had tried purchasing before, but it was out of stock, and then I kind of just gave up on it. And then when I opened the bag, I was like, no way, no way. Like, I was so excited. So this is a palette that she got me, and she also got me this Morphe brush, which I had never owned a Morphe brush, and you'll see me using this to create this look, and I really like it. Like, I also wanted to film. I did the tutorial first, that way I can give you guys more like a I guess a better review, you know, because I've actually already used this stuff. So this brush is super. This is a Morphe M330, and I guess it's like it is a blending brush, and it did a really good job, guys. Like, no joke. I'm seriously considering, when I have some extra cash, which is probably not anytime soon, I'm gonna go get some Morphe brushes because I really like this one, and the palette is just beautiful. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have already seen it because it's a very popular palette. Like I said, it's always sold out. But so you take it out of the packaging, and it looks exactly the same here. And let me open it for you guys. It has a little mirror, and these are the colors. Super pretty. I really like that it has the bright colors in matte, because I have the BH Cosmetic palette, the foil eyes, and it has really nice colors, but they're all shimmer. And this has matte colors, and they're super nice. Like, I haven't swatched them all. I only touched the ones that I used in the video, which you guys are gonna see. And after this, I'll attempt to film a swatch video, like, because I want to be able to swatch all of them for you guys. But for now, you'll be able to see the ones that I actually use in the palette, and I'm very satisfied. They were very easy to blend, the ones that I actually got to use. I don't know about all of them, but the ones that I touched so far, so good. And like I said, at the end of this, you'll see the tutorial for this. So I hope you stick around for that. And then she also got me this Pacifica Natural Skincare Purified Coconut Water Cleansing Wipes. So she had everything on the dot, man. Like, she really killed it with my gift. Again, I'm so excited. Thank you so much, Karina. I really appreciate it. I hope you watch this video so you could see the wonders that I created with a gift that you gave me. So that's pretty much it for this intro. Like I said, I'll probably do a more detailed review on the palette with swatches for you guys, but I'm kind of short on time today, so I just wanted to film this really quick, and stay tuned for the video. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye. Oh, before I go, again, thanks to everybody who's liked and commented on my videos. If you guys are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe if you like what you see. No pressure, but it will really mean the world to me if you guys show some support on my channel. And I think that's it. Bye, guys. I hope you like it.